up guys? So we're ready and today I've got my husband's top on, my jeans, Tim's, and my bag, and I just need to pick up my jacket. Where's my jacket? Oh no, it's got my jacket. We're gonna go shopping today. We were gonna go to the city, things changed, so yeah, we're not going to the city now. But yeah, we're gonna go downtown to get some shopping done. So it should be fun.
बाहर निकल चली
उधर देखिए
Good, how are you? Thank you.
मैं कहना मैं टी-शर्ट लाता जचदी वाली है तो पाई हुई
लानी है लानी है
हाँ हाँ घर वाली ने मेरी ने पसंद करके देती है मैं क्यों मना कर दूं वो भी फुल्लां वाली
Looks nice.
I know
Are you Victoria's Secret?
she choose it for me
You have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you.
that's not real
It's
actually
alright, it looks real.
Yeah, exactly, that's what counts.
No one needs to wear that.
Hey, combination. अच्छा
कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन देखना
हाँ
श्योर
दिखा दे
देख ला
चल दिखा दे पाके
हेलो चल पाके दिखा दीजिए
मैंने ऊपर दे
Sorry, 2 seconds, he's just looking at some shorts.
ऊपर दे पा ले बनी
Okay, cool.
फिटिंग रूम वाला
ठीक है कॉम्बिनेशन
फुल कॉम्बिनेशन Not.
Yeah.
this one is
This one.
The chocolate is good. You don't have to get 100 on the side. Hard chocolate.
move the skinny types the chocolates ne
No idea.
no idea guess तेरे मुरे केड़े आ
मतलब मुझे तो बहुत था
नहीं तेरे फेवरेट वंस आई मीन तेनों केड़े लगदा तू डार्क लाइक करूगी ज्यादा You are wasting time and boring.
I'm just looking at.
This is a chocolate shop.
ਜਿੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਪਣਾ
ਇਸ ਛੋਟਾ ਪੈਕੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ
ਇੱਕ ਏਡੇ ਪੈਕੇਟ ਮਿਲਨੇ ਪਤਾ ਬੀਟਰੂਟ
ਨਹੀਂ ਸਰ
ਆੜੋ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਟੇਸਟ ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਨਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਟੇਸਟ ਤੇ ਚਿਪਸ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫੇਰ ਖਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ
ਨਹੀਂ ਕ੍ਰੈਕਰਸ ਆ
ਇਹ ਕ੍ਰੈਕਰਸ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਪਤਾ
ਆ ਕ੍ਰੈਕਰਸ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੀਏ
ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੋ
I'll try that. I'll be fine. Oh, Akia. I'll try to get. Oh, I'll try to get. Another collision or like here. Oh, let's take camera. I'll try to get around. How about the here?
Yep.
What's up guys, so basically I've literally just washed my hair, so I need to comb through it. We've all packed pretty much, just got like the final things on the bed left to do, like the backpack and just, you know, this stuff basically. Everything else is all done. Tomorrow morning we have to get up at 6 and get ready. No, we have to be ready by 6 and have to leave by 6 because our flight's at 9, so we need to get there for 8, no 7, but it's going to be rush hour, so there's going to be traffic. But yeah, so it was a nice adventure for the last couple of days. Oh, I've got lychees. Look, I've never had lychees before, so I have to ask Jyoti how to eat them. But look, I didn't know they look like this. I thought they were pinker. Or do they need to be washed? I don't know. I'll ask Jyoti to teach me anyways. But yeah, my daddy's asleep. That's why I'm whispering and not shouting. Yeah, so it's like 1:30. No. What the hell am I saying? It's 9:50. Just packed. And yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow basically, so it should be fun. We're in Auckland for 2 days and then we hit off for the road trip. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes out good, so fingers crossed. Yeah, then I'm in Auckland again for another 4 days. So yeah, that's the situation, and yeah, so I'll keep you updated. Anyways, until tomorrow's vlog, stay tuned and stay fearless and keep going. Bye, good night, peace.